Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you're here. My name is Lauren if you're new here, and today's video is going to be a little different. So I normally do videos about natural health, essential oils, everything that I've built my business around. But today I want to do a video to help some of you out who maybe are trying to get your own business started. Maybe you've got a network marketing business, or maybe you're just trying to build a personal brand. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about going live on social media. I am so excited to talk about this because our business that we've built has been so wonderful in the fact that I've been able to connect with so many people, our customers, and largely of that communication is on live, specifically Facebook, but we do Instagram lives as well. And I've come to love it. Now, I know it can be a little intimidating at first, and I get the question all the time about how I am so confident, how I'm so cool, calm, and collected when I go live. So I was like, okay, let's make a video, and I'm gonna give you guys some tips that I still to this day use, but even gosh, it was over 3 years ago now is when I first started going live. I had never built my own personal brand. I had no experience public speaking or making videos at all by any means. So it was brand new to me at one point. So just know that first and foremost, everyone has to start somewhere, okay? And you're never going to improve, you're never going to get better if you don't start, if you don't just do it, okay? We all suck at the beginning, so that's the first thing you have to get over. And instead of thinking about it or lingering on it too much, I literally just storm right through my lives. I try not to dwell, think about it. I did at the beginning, and it made me procrastinate, as with anything, right? If we think about it too much, and then if we get on there and we've been thinking too much, you get nervous. So storm right through it, okay? And what I mean by that is to just do it. Kind of kidding, kind of not, but you literally just have to put yourself out there to start getting comfortable, okay? That's the only way you're gonna start getting comfortable. Now, everything new is weird. Everything that we begin that's new to us is going to be weird at the beginning. So it's not you, it's just that it's new, okay? It's something new to you, your business, your brand, even your audience, right? So it's not you, I promise, it's just new. Once you get the hang of it and you've gone live for years and years, multiple times a week, it'll just be, hey, I'm going live to say hi. You won't even think twice about it. But from the beginning, try not to overthink too much. Now, with that being said, you do at the beginning want to put some thought into it, not negative thoughts, but thoughts about what you're going to say, right? So have your talking points ready. That's my next tip. Write them down ahead of time. You can put them on Post-it notes and have them, posted on your computer, so it's not like you're looking down and reading off of something. That's kind of awkward. A little tip that I did at the very beginning, I wrote my talking points down and I kept them on my notes on my computer. Then I just had the notes where I could see them while I was going live. So I was still looking at the device that I was going live on, my computer I almost always used. Or if I was going live on my phone, I had my computer right there, in front of the screen. So it didn't really look like I was looking down at notes, but I had all of my talking points and everything that I wanted to cover written down. Another thing that you may want to do is create new questions, okay, that your audience will likely have that you know the answer to, and then you can answer those at the end. So if it's something that someone is going to ask you about the topic or about what you're going live about, go ahead and just address their questions right there on the live that you already know or feel like might come up. This will give you even more content to talk about, and it'll create, even if you don't have that many people on your live or any at all, it'll still, if someone's watching the replay, it'll create engagement, okay? Something that someone can relate to, engage with, and really get sucked in with. If it's a question that they might have had in their head and they already hear you answering it on your live, that's a good thing. Okay, and then the last tip kind of goes hand in hand. It's kind of two things, but at the very beginning, when you're starting off, your social media channel, or maybe you're just starting off going live and this is something new to you and you already have a following, whatever the case is, in the beginning, start and end your live with purpose, okay? Start out right away. Don't sit there for 5 minutes and say, hey, yeah, I'm gonna let everyone get on. Like, that's fine once you're comfortable, but when you're just starting off, start right away. Start with purpose. Don't sit there and stare at your phone or with a blank look on your face. Go ahead and just start it off right away. And then when you're done speaking at the end of it, verbally close it out. Say, that's a wrap, see you next time, and end it. Boom, it's done, okay? You really want to start and end with purpose, okay? You don't want to be there being awkward, sitting too long. That gives you too much time to make it awkward. You don't want to have any free time at the very beginning when you're starting your lives or when you're ending your lives, okay? So take these tips. Good luck. Leave some comments below to let me know if you try any of these, how it works out. Subscribe over here if you haven't already. I'm going to be doing more and more of these business-like videos, tips, and stuff like that to help you guys. Hopefully you found this helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.